Hello, my name is Joanna Compton. I'm a mother, a wife, an artist who paints with flowers, a former naval photographer, now veteran, a horticulturist, designer, and advocate for mental health. I'm passionate about people and plants. My business is Growing Partners. Growing Partners has two facets to it. The first one is Wellness with Gardening, where I provide workshops to community centers, assisted living, Mom's Night Out, veterans, recovery groups, you name it. The second facet is Landscapes by Joanna, which is traditional design company. I design for both residential, commercial, and any contract work available to me. My background includes working for a number of years with a high-end design build company around the Potomac and DC Beltway. Our surroundings impact us. Imagine this view of a 500-gallon gas tank and greeting it every day when you leave your home or look out your window. Now, imagine looking out your window at the beauty that is offered with a simple but elegant design. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Nature soothes the soul. 22 years ago, I stopped worrying about other people's money and left a successful investment team at Merrill Lynch to go into garden. My husband said, "Joe, you tell your clients to go out in the garden. Why don't you?" I stood there and thought, why didn't I think of that? With his support, I completed the University of Maryland Master Gardener program, received a degree in landscape technology and design, became a certified professional horticulturist, designer, a specialist in ornamental plant care and herbaceous perennials. I honed my skills in a nursery where I learned plants, at McDaniel College, where I supervised the grounds crew and designed the campus, and a design build where I learned from the very best. Wellness with Gardening was birthed out of my own growth after battling years of depression, from the ages of 17 to 35 years old. This instilled in me a deep desire and passion to help others in need of support. Like that, my hand being the sand. Did you know that the National Institute of Health has researched why gardening makes you feel good? Studies show cytokine levels rise, which in turn activates the feel-good hormone serotonin. My personal experience was that I spent between 3 and 9 months of every one of those 18 years in a shame-based dark hole. I looked and worked long and hard to get out. The stigma of mental health has come a long way, but we all are aware of how society still judges. To admit my battle with depression openly would risk losing my 5 years of achievements in the Navy and my reputation in the financial world. I shared my story with very few people until recently. My Wellness with Gardening workshops are community-based, and I lean in regularly to listen to people's stories. We have fun, we connect, we grow, and we come back for more. Family, friends, and community supporting and growing together. All of these are important to stay mentally healthy. My present dream is to have a place to hold community classes in, a living classroom, a greenhouse made from windows, potentially in the fall. This is what I strive to accomplish, putting people in good places and grow with each other. Again, my name is Joanna Compton with Growing Partners. You can find me at wellnesswithgardening.com and landscapesbyjoanna.com. Thank you for your consideration.